Welcome students to another video lesson in maths. Today we start chapter 9, some applications of trigonometry. You have learnt about trigonometry in your previous classes and you know very well trigonometry deals with only right angled triangles. Now today we will see how can this trigonometry be applied to our daily life situations. Now for example, you need to find the height of a tower, very tall building, mountain. You need to know the breadth of a river. How can we find? We can use trigonometry. Now astronomers also use trigonometry to calculate distance between two celestial objects. We will now study how we can apply this trigonometry. Again, for this you need to know two new terms. What are they? Angle of elevation and angle of depression. Angle of elevation. What is angle of elevation? Now suppose I am standing here, I am looking straight. So this is my horizontal level. If I want to see a bird flying in the sky, what do? I move my head upwards. So my eyes, they are turning through an angle upwards. So this angle is called angle of elevation. You can see this figure here. A person is standing here. This is his eyes. So this is the horizontal level. Now suppose he wants to see an object placed here. He is turning his head. So this is the line of sight. So this angle between the line of sight and the horizontal level is the angle of elevation. So this is the horizontal level, I am looking up. So this is the line of sight. So this angle between the line of sight and the horizontal level is angle of elevation. Now suppose I am standing at the top of a building, multi-storied building, and see this figure here. A person standing here. Now, if he wants to look at an object on the ground, what does he do? This is the horizontal level, he is looking something down. So, he bends his head. The eyes again bend with an angle downwards. This angle is angle of depression. So, again you can see here, eyes here. So, this is the horizontal level. He is looking at this object, this is the line of sight. So, the angle between the horizontal level and the line of sight is the angle of depression. Understood? Now, you have learnt some ratios. What are they? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, their reciprocals, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. And you very well know that sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos theta is base by hypotenuse, tan theta is perpendicular by base. We will be using either of the 6 ratios to solve a given problem according to the situation and according to our convenience. So, now let us take up a few examples from your exercise. Okay. Now, we take up question number 2 from exercise 9.1. Now children, first read the question and try to draw a figure according to the question. So the question here says there is a tree on the ground. This is the ground. This is the tree. A, B is the tree. Then what does the question say? The tree breaks due to storm. Suppose the tree breaks at this point C. What happens? The broken part touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with the ground. Okay. The tree breaks at this point, this portion AC falls down and this top touches the ground at A, making an angle 30 degree with the ground. Also, the question says this point A is at a distance of 8 meters from the tree. So, this is all given in the question. What you need to do is to find the height of the tree. Now, Again see, height of the tree is BC plus this portion AC. So, we first find out BC and then we will find out AC. To find out BC, see this figure, right triangle. This is the base of the triangle, BC is the perpendicular. So, which relation can we use? Any relation which connects the perpendicular and base? Yes, tan. So, we start with tan 30. Tan 30 is perpendicular by base. What is the perpendicular? Base. What is tan 30? The value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. BC, AB is 8, or BC is equal to 8 by root 3. So, this is one portion of the tree. We need now to find AC, that is this AC. Again see, this AC is the hypotenuse of the triangle. You have the base of the triangle. So, which relation connects the base and hypotenuse? We can use cos theta. Cos theta is base by hypotenuse. So, now we write base hypotenuse AC, or what is cos theta or cos 30? Cos 30 is, you know the value, AB is given 8, AC we need to find out. So, AC will be equal to 8 into 2, 16 by root 3. So, you now have BC and AC. So, what is the height of the tree? The tree is BC plus AC. So, the height of the tree will be BC plus AC. What is BC? 8 by root 3 plus AC is 16 by root 3. LCM 8 plus 16, you get 24. We rationalize the denominator. So, we multiply and divide by root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So, you can cancel 3 with this 24, 8. So, you get 8 root 3. So, the height of the tree is 8 root 3 meters. So, understood children? So, again remember, read the question and draw the figure correctly. Okay? So, we take up another example. So, okay children, we take up another example, question number 5 again of exercise 9.1. Again see the question, what is said, a kite is flying at a height of 60 meters above the ground. So, we draw the figure, this is the ground, this distance is 60 meters, and what is said, this kite is attached to a string, sorry, the ground, the kite is at a height of 60 meters. This kite is attached with a string fixed at the ground, making an angle 60 degree. What you need to find? You need to find the length of this string. So, we label it, suppose A, B, C. Again, this is a right angle triangle. We need to find AC. Now, what all is given here? The perpendicular is known to you and you need to find this hypotenuse. So, which relation connects the perpendicular and the hypotenuse? Sine. So, we start with sine. sine 60 is perpendicular, that is BC by hypotenuse AC. Substitute the values. What is sine 60? BC is given 60 and AC you need to find out. So, AC will be equal to 60 into 2 by root 3. Again rationalize the denominator. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So, this 3 and 60 you can cancel. So, you get 20 into 2, 40 root 3 meters. That is, the height of the string is 40 root 3 meters. So, understood children? The main thing is you read the question well and draw the figure accordingly. If your figure is right, you will get the solution correct. So, stress upon making the figure right. So, understood children? So, let it be this much for today.